Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on your Mercedes C-Class. That's the W205 model. Now what we want to do first is make sure that your key is in position 1, like so. After the car does its startup procedure and its little animation, you want to make sure that you're on the trip screen. So you've got the different options here. We go to trip, and then you want to scroll through the different menus until you get to the odometer screen, which has miles, or it may have kilometers depending which country you're in. So once you're on this screen, what we want to do is press and hold down the start call and the OK buttons together. However, you want to press the start call ever so slightly before OK, and then hold them down. If you do them both at the same time, you'll get the following screen here, reset trip meter. So you don't want that. So again, it's start call ever so slightly before OK. So it's like 1 then 2. So I'll just show you that now. And then after 5 seconds or so, you'll get the separate sub hidden menu. Okay, so on this screen, first of all, we've got the vehicle data. I'll just quickly go through that with you. So you've got the battery information, you've got the software versions and so on, and you've got the time and date, and you've also got your engine number, your VIN number, and a few other bits and pieces. So add level as well, add blue level as well, I should say. If you just come out of that, then you've got the dynometer screen, which is if you're on a rolling road. If you just come out of that, you've got the brake pad replacement indicator, so you can reset that as also, and onto the Assist Plus, which is the actual service screen. So we're going to select that now. Okay, now it asks you to switch on the ignition, so you turn the ignition on, and then you've got service data as well as full service. So we'll just quickly go to the service data screen. And then it just shows you the different services which is due, whether it's actually due or you've gone over, how many days are remaining, and the mileage and so on. And you press back here, and then you get to the full service screen. So clicking on full service will show you the next due services that are still to come. This is a fairly new car, it's only actually had the first service. And then if you go down to the confirm service, click on that, confirm service carried out, you go on to yes. And then there's a confirmation screen. As I say, this is a fairly new car, so I'm not actually going to reset the service indicator now. But all you do is go to OK, and then it'd be done. And then to come out of this, just simply keep pressing the back button until you get to the front screen. Now, just note that until you switch the car off, the hidden menu will still remain on there, the workshop menu, like so. Once you switch it off, that will go. And that brings us to the end of this video. Just before you go, make sure you check out the Kilohertz Instagram page, where I regularly update it with photos of Mercedes content. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the bell notification so you stay notified of all my upcoming videos and content. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.